In this video, I'm going to be answering the question, what does link in bio mean on Instagram? So I'm pretty sure that you have heard like several or seen several posts here on Instagram, and some of them says like link in bio. Now, to answer that question, what does it really mean? Now I'm going to show you what that means. First things first, go to your profile, and normally the link should be here. This is actually the bio. Now, the question is, how do I enter a link here? In order for you to do that, you can just go ahead and click edit profile. After doing so, what you're going to do is head over here to your bio, and you will see that there is an option to add a link here. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap that one, and then you can add a Facebook profile or an external link. So I'm just gonna try external link. I'm going to click it, and then you have the URL here. So go ahead and try to write whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and try to write google.com, and then if you want to try to write a title, you can go ahead and do that one. So for example, just like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and click the check here, and yep, as you can see, now we have added Google. Now let's try to check it. I'm going to close this once again, and then if we are going to refresh this, you should be able to see this one right here. Now that is actually a link in our bio, so if you are going to go ahead and click that, for example, you can see that it is going to redirect you to that particular link. So yep, that is what link in bio means here on Instagram. I hope this video helps you out.